Very simple. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Just pull it down like this and then I don't understand why it doesn't work. I don't understand. My fat fingers! Hello, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking onto today's video. Today we are doing something a little bit more fun. I thought since summer is coming, I wanted to kind of warm myself up to the summer trends by trying some TikTok hacks. Now, I've never actually really been on the TikTok train. I think it's because I'm not really that young, so I feel like TikTok is kind of a technology that's above me, and I can't really get myself into it. But as in any type of content platform these days, there's so much value in TikTok and there is so much information, a wealth of information on there, and I know TikTok hacks have become like a genre of their own. So I wanted to check out some hacks today and try them out and see if they work. Another thing is I'm not usually very good with following instructions, so I'm not very good with like any type of tutorial. I'm really bad at cooking because of that too, because I never follow recipes and what is being taught to me very well. So it will be interesting to see. And I'm also not very nimble, so I tend to not be very good with the crafty things. So it'll be interesting to see how these TikTok hacks work and if they work for me especially. So without further ado, let's get started.
Look at what I saw in here. Grab your purse, ladies. Go grab, ladies, man, just grab your purse. Put it over your head, okay? Your hands through here and then go under and grab the purse and throw the purse back over your head. It's a backpack now. It's a backpack. It's a backpack. Now if you don't want it into a backpack, okay. Boom. Back to a purse.
Actually, I already have tried this hack and I know it works, but I wanted to show you guys anyways because it's such a great hack. So let's do it together. Okay, I'm gonna be trying this hack with this Tumi bag that I showed in my last haul that looks like a cookie jar, because I think this will actually be pretty cute as a backpack as well. So the important thing with this hack is that you do have to keep the strap pretty long because it has to flip around you. So I have the strap at its longest length, and you do have to have the bag facing the opposite direction. So the front of the bag has to be facing towards you and then the back of the bag is facing outwards. So like she said, you just put it over your head, you put your arms over it, slip it down like that, and then flip it over like that. So go. So it looks like backpack straps, and then this is how the bag looks as a backpack. I think this actually looks pretty cute. I mean, the straps for this, even as long as I do feel like it is pretty tight, but I think if you can find a bag with an ultra long strap, then it'll be a little bit more comfortable. But either way, I think it works very well, and I would definitely wear my bag out like this. And what did she say about removing it and changing it to handbag? You just let go one side and voila, the bag is back. But again, the back of the bag is facing outwards now, so you do have to flip it back over. But either way, I think it is a great hack, and I am most likely gonna be using this a lot, especially during the summertime. Okay, so that was the only hack that I actually saw beforehand and have tried it. Starting here on out, these are all new hacks that I've never tried before. Let's start with some easy ones because I don't want to overwhelm myself that quickly. So I've changed into a hoodie because I've seen so many of these hoodie hacks where they tie the string into kind of like cute designs and like flowers and such. So I thought that was a good and easy one to start off with. So the problem is, again, following instructions. I don't really have a hoodie that has the type of straps that they have in the videos where it's super thin. So this is the closest that I could find, and they're quite thick and quite short, but we'll find out. I can always pull it to make it a little bit longer, I guess. I kind of like this one because it looks really cute, like kind of like little bows. So let's try it. It does look a little bit complicated. So you have to loop it around your fingers twice. 2 fingers? It's 2 fingers. So you loop it around your fingers twice. Is this twice? Or is that just 1 loop? Let me see. Okay, so you loop it like this. And then this has to go across like this. Across the finger. Into the inside of the finger, I think. Like this. Is that right? Loop it like this. I'm sweating. Go in between the finger. Like this. Okay. And then it has to go over top. Like this. Doesn't seem like my my strap is long enough. Okay, so I'm at this. I don't know if it's right, but what do I do after? And I just let go. Seems like I just let go. And then I pull it. That doesn't seem right. Oops, it on my finger. What is this? Oh yeah, wait a second. This kind of looks like it, but it comes. What is this? Okay, I need to sit down for this. Let's see. So you start with the string underneath your hands. Okay. Then you loop it once, loop it twice, and from here you put it in between your fingers. I feel like everything up to here must be right, but I feel like this doesn't look right either, because there's 3. There's 3 here now. It just comes undone. I'm so confused. Maybe I should try it on this side. Maybe this side will be different. My fat fingers! And here I was saying that I'm starting with something easy.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, well, I have, after 20 minutes, officially given up on that one. I really still don't know how she got from like the 3rd step to the 4th step. But alas, there are a lot more hoodie, string hacks. So let's move on to the next one.
How to tie your hoodie strings, part 3. This one I call the flying lotus. Fold the string in half where you want the knot to start, and then wrap it around about 6 times. Peep the method on how I keep it tight to the string by using my finger. You want to do this about 6 times all the way up, and when you're done, tuck it through the loop at the bottom. Then pull the string down and scrunch it up, then adjust it so the loops are spaced out evenly. Like and follow for more style tips.
This next hack, I think it is important because the strap that I have is very thin, so I'm just gonna untie it so that it's not as hard to put the bottom through the end loop at the end. So let's see, I think start off like this. Here he holds it down, brings it up like this, put it around like this, I'm guessing, on this side. He's able to loop it around like 6 times, but I don't know if I can do that, but we'll see. I think he said something about keeping it really tight, so that's probably important. I have it looped around 5 times. Okay, well 6 times, and then he just puts it through the loop from the top, and then he holds it, and then what does this look like? What he's trying to do? So you have to flip it. Hey, it looks pretty. I think I did it. Hey, I think I did it. It's pretty cute actually. Looks like a flower. Little flower there. Okay, let me try if I can recreate it on the other side. I feel like it will be hard to make them the same like length. Like how does he make sure that ends up in the same place? Was it like this? Is that how it's done? I don't remember. Also doesn't help that the hoodie strings here that I have here are very, very stiff. They're basically like ropes. They're not even like fabric strings, they're like ropes. So I mean, this one turned out pretty okay. Kind of looks like a flower. This one, I don't know what's going on here. I wonder if it's because I did it on the wrong side. I don't remember what side I started with. You know what? Let's just say it's because of the hoodie straps I have that probably won't be able to recreate the look that they're going for. It's just like me in cooking. It's like sometimes when I don't have the ingredients, I will replace the ingredients with something I feel like is very similar. Like one time I tried to make crepes, and obviously crepes requires flour, but I didn't have flour at home. I know I didn't have flour at home, but what I did have was rice flour. So I thought I could replace flour with rice flour. Also didn't have baking soda, I think, so replace it with baking powder. I don't think that one was as bad, but rice flour crepes did not taste very good. So I feel like this is a very similar situation in that it's not so much the technique or the instructions were bad, but I just don't have the right material for what they're calling for. So now I can't even wear the hood because it's so small and tight. So the hoodie hacks were a fail, but there are many better hacks, so let's go try those instead.